Hi guys, I'm back in Goa after a week of work in Delhi. Goa is 15 degrees cooler than Delhi. God has answered our prayers and made the weather much better over here. And now we are just looking forward to the rains which are going to be here another week, 10 days. We are very excited.
Today we are making a plain simple chicken curry which all the Goans like. Hope you like it.
This is a very simple everyday chicken curry recipe. It's so easy that even those who don't know how to cook can make it. Come, we'll show you the ingredients. Hi guys, Maria and I would like to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Joshua Picardo.
Hi Joshua, welcome to our channel.
Thanks for your support. Here are the ingredients for our simple everyday Goan Kombai Chikori or chicken curry. We have one whole chicken cut in medium pieces, enough salt for that much chicken. We used about how much, Maria?
1.5.
1.5 teaspoons of salt. Similarly, 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of garam masala, heap teaspoon. Half teaspoon of jeera, 1 heap teaspoon of kothmeer, and we are going to use one trick of about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. For our masala, we are using half a coconut grated, 8 good quality baked ghee chilies, and 1 heap teaspoon of khaskhas, poppy seeds. Lastly, we'll use 2 chopped onions to make our curry. We'll start by marinating our chicken in salt and ginger garlic paste. Maria will mix it in well. This chicken does not need long marination. Only till the onions are fried is enough. So before we go to the stove, we'll just grind our masala. I like the masala slightly coarse like this. Maria likes it finer. You grind it how you like. So here we are ready with all our ingredients. Dolly is also ready to help with cooking chicken. It's her favorite dish. Take a pan big enough for the chicken and switch on the gas on a high flame. We are starting with 1 kadchi of oil. We'll see if we need more. Half more we'll put. 1.5 kadchis is about 3 tablespoons oil. Use less in a non-stick vessel. So we've got 1.5 kadchis of oil. Let it become nice and hot. First we'll fry our onions. Oil is nice and hot. Fry the onions till they turn white. We just need to fry these till they change color. Now our onions have changed color, so I'm going to add the chicken. Stir to combine the chicken and onion. My flame is still high. We just want to cook this enough till the chicken starts leaving its water. That's why we put salt first only on the chicken and kept. Soon it will start leaving water. Flame is high only. Within a minute or two only the chicken has started changing color. And if you can see, the water has started coming out. We'll just fry it for a minute or two more and then we'll add our masalas. This is a really easy recipe, guys. Anybody can make. And it's very tasty. Chicken has started leaving water. Now we'll add our masalas. Kothmeer, jeera, our homemade garam masala. Then give the other. Now we are adding the fresh masala from the mixie. In goes the tomato ketchup also. It gives a nice tightness to the gravy. Now we take time to mix this all together carefully. Don't have to take too much tension about mixing because we are going to add 2 cups of hot water. Sorry, we had a little camera accident. We are mixing the chicken, the powdered masalas, the fresh masala and tomato sauce. Check out this lovely color, guys. We get this color when we use our lovely Goa chilies or Bedki chilies. I'm just going to cook this for about 5 minutes to let the masalas cook a bit before adding hot water. The flame is still on high even though we added our masalas because there was already water in the pan. So we don't need to turn the flame down. There, we cooked our masalas for 3-4 minutes. Now we'll add hot water. This is a big coffee cup, so about 2 normal size coffee cups, teacups, water. Stir. Anyway, the water will take care of everything. Such a simple and tasty curry. Now I'm going to turn the heat down to medium. And I'll cover and leave this to cook till the chicken is done. After about 10 minutes, the chicken has started spitting the gravy. So now we'll cook it open so that the gravy is a bit thinner. Sorry, I should have said thicker, not thinner. You can see that this chicken is only half cooked. Rest of the time, this chicken is going to cook on open flame now till the chicken is done. See, the chicken is coming off the bone, so it's done. That's it. Our chicken curry is ready. It's thickened up also a bit. You can cook it more if you want to thicken it more, but this is the way we like our curry. Also because by tomorrow this curry will have thickened even more in the fridge overnight. And we're ready to eat our lunch now. Put off the flame.
You like long grain rice, no, Maria?
No.
Basmati.
Yeah.
And you, Leslie?
Yes.
What kind of rice you like?
I like the golden red rice. The way this Jaya is, it's so obvious that she's posing for a picture. What's up? It's only, I told her 3 times to serve us.
I'm just waiting for the big mood. Nice potatoes. I have something to say. I have something to say.
What?
Are you deaf?
Yes. Okay. What is it you would like to say, Jaya?
I would like to say that when I die,
Oh my god.
that I want some of the ashes to be strewn in the paddy field.
In the paddy field?
Yeah.
Sure.
Any particular place? No.
Anywhere in the field.
Nice it is.
Food is too good.
Who made?
I like it.
Then we should do like this. The food too good.
Yeah, guys. Our chicken curry which we made is very good. Superb. Well done, Leslie and Maria.
Did you put coconut in it?
Of course. What a question.
Why is it so red in color?
From the
Red
Bedki
chili.
chilies.
They're county, no?
It's nice, huh? If you use the correct quality chilies, you will get this nice red color.
You can buy in any shop that chili.
Yeah. No, but the
Depends.
crazy and all they came, no?
Yeah, but this recipe people are watching from all over the world, not just from Goa.
I'm sure on Amazon you can get.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get Bedki chilies on Amazon, and if you don't have Bedki chilies, it doesn't matter as long as you don't use the flat red chilies which they use in the north. Those are too spicy, huh? This is giving a lovely color and flavor.
Oh, that's
Those chilies will make it very, very spicy.
sorry. That's what you used in this also.
Mm.
These big. I was wondering. Yeah.
They were in the fridge.
So they are flavorful but not too
Not too spicy.
spicy.
They have a very nice flavor and lovely color also. If you use that flat red chilies and follow our recipe and put 8 of them, na, you will not be able to eat that chicken. Na.
My mother used to really like the dried red chilies from Rajasthan. You know, my family is from Rajasthan.
Yeah, don't use those chilies, please.
They're very spicy.
No.
Here's wishing you many happy home cooked meals with your best friends too.